If you're looking for an easy way to clean the fish that you catch, you might want to check out the KastKing Easy Fillet Mat. This here comes in two different versions, but this one happens to be the mat is rubber. It is something that is easily compact that you can take on the go. And as you can see, it has this anti-slip texture on it, so if you lay your fish on, it's not going to slide as you're cutting it, filleting it. As you can see, you do have measurements, so you can measure the size of fish that you have. Again, the other option does come with a fillet knife and a sharpener. This here is just the mat itself. So again, depending on what you're needing, again, KastKing is going to have you cover. And again, this is going to be another great way of cleaning your fish on the go. Instead of having to use like your tailgate like this here, you just have now a mat that you can take anywhere, dock, on your boat, any surface you lay this bad boy on, and it's easy to clean.